Hi, my name is Adrian Damara. I'm from Tebing Tinggi.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the city of Tebing Tinggi, North Sumatra. Tebing Tinggi is known as Sleman City. It's where I was born and raised, and I have many memories here.
But now I live in Medan.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Medan, a city in the heart of North Sumatra, where natural beauty, rich culture, and the warmth of its people come together as one. This is Medan, so relax and enjoy the view.
Because I study here. I stay in a boarding house near my campus. I study mechanical engineering.
If you give up on your dreams, what do you have left?
I like learning how machines work and how to fix them.
Okay.
Medan is a busy city, but I like because there are people friendly and there are many nice places to eat. After class, I usually watch anime or football.
Once again.
To relax. There are 4 people in my family: my father, my mother, my young sister, and me.
Okay.
My father and mother work as private employees, and my sister is still a student. Right now, I live far from my family.
Di sini, di batas kota ini.
Because I study in Medan. We live in Tebing Tinggi and I miss them a lot.
Okay.
But we often call or video chat to stay connected. My family always support and motivates me, especially when I feel tired or stressed. I'm really thankful for them.
Thank you.
In my free time, I like watching football.
Me and you, girl, you and me. Tap it to the floor and make me see your energy because me not playing.
And anime. My favorite team is Manchester United.
One day Manchester will see nothing but red. The sound of glory, glory Man United will reverberate through every street. One day we will win it all. One day we'll bring the glory back. One day every road in Manchester will lead only to Old Trafford. One day we'll return to our golden era. One day Manchester will truly be united.
I like team because they always play with passion and never give up.
Okay.
I usually watch anime almost every day, especially on weekend. It's helped me relax and make me happy. Sometimes I hang out with my friend and my girlfriend. We talk, share stories, and laugh together. It's a nice way to enjoy my free time. For me, hobbies are very important because they make me happy, reduce stress from studying.
Okay.